We've got a Mercedes Benz S500 W221 body, cabin filter location and install. So the cabin filter here is underneath the dash here. So what you're going to need a T25 hex. There is three bolts to take this cover off here underneath the dash. So there's one here, and one here. So once I get to taking that off, I'll continue to the next step. Okay, now that these three hex screws have come out, next step you're going to have to do is to take the cover off. In doing so, you're also going to have the light here which you have to take out. Make your life easier. And the cover comes right out as like so. I'll continue to the next step now. So the next step you've got, once you take this cover off, underneath there's a cabin filter location here. You've got to slide that this way, and there's one more here. Slide that the other way and it just falls. So you can see it's pretty dirty. And notice the location, the way you put them in, there's a certain way of the airflow going down. So when you reinstall, remember the airflow has to be going down. And there's one, and there's the other one in the back. So I'll just get to put in the new ones and re-update you guys once I'm done. So here we've got the two new ones ready for replacement. So with the writing down, put it back in its slot up here, like so. And I'll get back to the next step once we're done. So once both the filters are in their positions like so, the next step you have to do is putting this cover back on. So the way you do this, facing down this way, you line these and slide this out. Slide this one out also. And then make sure it's secure. Yep. Now putting back this cover on, and you're done. Also, don't forget to put this back into its place before you secure everything up. Put it to position. Click it in there. Make sure it doesn't come out. And finish off the install with putting the three hex screws in. So now once all three screws are tight and secured, your installing is complete. Done. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. Thanks.